Alright, today I'm going to be talking about how to use a resource on the Alabama Virtual Library. Now, I just Google it sometimes, but I also do have this page bookmarked, or I thought I did, so that I can get to it fairly easily, and it's all, yes, right here. That's where it is. It's bookmarked up at the top on my tabs. And since I am in elementary school, I go to the elementary resources. And I like to show the kids all the ebooks that they have on here, the encyclopedias and whatnot. But I found something the other day that I didn't know was on here, and I just thought it was so fascinating, and I started to play with it myself. But this resource here, Pronunciator, and you can learn languages through the Alabama Virtual Library. I think this would be a great resource for ESL kids to use, and it has a bunch of different languages that you can look through, and yeah, I just thought this would be a great resource for the ESL students to use. You can customize it, or you can just kind of go through a couple of different methods here. It has postcards and drills and videos that you can listen to. So I thought this was a great resource. And even if you're not ESL, if you're just wanting to learn a different language,